This word love is bandied around a lot. But what is it? What is love? Well, maybe we could start with what it's not. Love doesn't mean we have to agree. What an absolutely boring world if we believe that we live in a state of all possibility, all potential. What a boring world if everyone agreed. So number one, love is not about agreement. And love does not mean either that we roll over and allow ourselves to be imposed upon because, oh, I love you, so you do what you like. I'll just lie down and you can walk all over me. It doesn't mean that at all. Love, I guess for most people, would be expressed as attraction. You're attracted to someone physically, often, and you feel, I'm in love. And yes, that can absolutely happen. But for me, the love I'm talking about is most profoundly expressed in friendship. Friendship. Do you know, there's this great phrase I heard a long time ago. A friend is someone who walks into the room when everyone else is walking out. A friend doesn't have to agree with you. They might seriously disagree with what you've done. But they have this connection, this love connection in its unconditional, I say, true sense, which is, I'm always going to be here for you. Because we have that connection that we call friendship, which is really just an expression of unconditional love. And if you have a relationship, for instance, where you are physically attracted and you perceive it as love, which is fair enough, nothing wrong with that. Done it myself. And that's all you have. Then at some point that's probably going to dissipate. Because although, I'm still very young and very virile, eventually it will even come to me that, you move on into different stages of your life. And if just physical attraction is all that we perceive as love, then, as we see all the time in human society, maybe it fizzles out. But a relationship between two people who start out physically attracted to each other, but have that core, that foundation of friendship, then as life moves on through its stages, that friendship, love, real love, true love, unconditional love, will always be there. And so the relationship will always be there. And a question, what is our point of reference from which we peruse the world and interact with different people? Is that point of attention love of the kind that I'm talking about? The understanding that we're all expressions of each other, having different experiences? Or is it hate? Is it resentment? Is it revenge? Animosity? Because whatever that point of reference is, will dictate your relationship and interaction with people, and together, collectively, it will decide what the world is that we are experiencing, because whatever that point of reference is will color everything that we do. And it will form our perceptions and dictate our perceptions of reality.